Here's how to remove the Ninebot S Max motor from the unit. We have these 4 screws here that need to be unbolted. You have these 3 wires as well as another set of wires. These wires have a little notch in between. If you cannot pull the wires apart, you push in to that little notch and then you pull the wires apart. Here I am doing this for the blue one. Of course, you want to be careful because you might scratch your hand while doing this. Once you push the notch in, you should be able to pull the wire apart. Just like this. Repeat this for the yellow wire and the brown wire. Next, I pulled out this white connector right over here. To do that, I had to put my finger underneath, push the tab down, and then pull out. You don't want to strip the connection that it resides in. Next, remove all 4 of these bolts. Right now I'm on the last 2. As soon as you remove the last screw, the motor will be able to move. But what you're going to need to do is put all these wires through that little hole there. So we're going to need to make sure everything is aligned and where we want it to be. So next, all of these wires go through one by one. Okay, now the wheel is completely free. Just repeat the process if you want to put the wheel back on.